coming from that side. Yes. Last one is Mr. Fully Burka Livima. There's that one there. Ooh. I was looking at the bakery then, I didn't see him put out. Don't expect me to look where I'm going when there's food around. No way past the roadworks. Who's put a car wash sign in the middle of that? They'll have to go on the road now, Dan. Suspension's a bit solid side. That is a roundabout back there. It doesn't look much like one, but it's from the other side. Down to Lungomare, Dan. I think we shall just piss up on the pavement here. Why sit in traffic when you don't need to? Don't need doing as well, I've got a squeaky brake. Listen to Rugby camera wobbling around on the inside. Oops. Take a wide berth along there. A bit further down now. Back into cycle path territory. Ooh, that was a bit of a bumpy bit, wasn't it? And then left some of the fair area. I took the big wheel down. That's right. The bars look quite busy still. So the bars and stuff still look quite busy, don't they?
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's the ferry over there. I don't need to turn around, I've got 360 cameras. Let's turn around then. Number 2 goes slow. Right by the side of it, down from there. Oh, the motorbikes. Oh, that's got jackets on. Been wobbling a bit now. Gotta go on the other side then. Where the actual cycle path is. It's great to be back down here. Stop a minute. Where's we going to go? We'll go after this one, see if there's a good run out. Oh. Knee went then. There's old DS real estate. Probably going to see them at some point. Shut it up again. I remember where the Aiden bar and pizza bar grill is. Pizza and grill, for God's sake, not bar. Well, it's bar that sell beer. Dentist, pharmacy. She doesn't jump out there. Spider-Man in the back of the car, I swear it. Oh, there it is. Oh, they're all closed up now. All the plants inside. That's a shame. I'm not really sure if it's gone right away, but most of the time the cars just pull across, so best to give way to them just in the off chance. So back up to number 3 again. Oh, bloody breeze bringing the smell of the sea across. Okay. Ah, that's an old one. Is that an old Lancia? Yeah, it is. People sat on the road still, making the most of it. I'm surprised, there's still quite a few people there. That's good. And there's the Marina Premium Hotel. Fond memories. Going for the overtake. be again. Smith Rakes. There. The king. I've got this Relive app running. I saw the guy who does e-bike reviews in Chicago using it. It's kind of cool, gives you a nice 3D map view of your route. Thought I'd give it a go. I was going to say, I don't remember seeing that, but when we walked down here, it was dark, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, the hotel construction, so we didn't notice it because it was dark. There's a few places shut up, but not that many, to be fair, it's all open. Right, what's this? How much of this is traffic waiting to move? There they are. Rolls Royce. We'll just dip across here. All the Albanian flags on the balconies. According to my brother, it's Albania versus England today. I'm assuming that's football. Sunday the 15th of November. I have to pinch myself whenever I say November. Oh god, sorry if I'm rubbing it into anyone, but I'm riding down in the t-shirts, sun shining. This does not feel like November, not like any November I know. Yeah. Oh well. There you go. More goal. Here's not where we came down here before, so it's nice kind of seeing all these places in the light. Busy over there as well. Look how the car park's full, man. Plenty of other restaurants to try. Our favourite may not be open, but I'm sure we'll find something equally as good. That hill doesn't look as bad in the light either. Well, I was complaining about walking up too much on that Taverna Mediterrano over there. It was a steep slope up to get to it where the entrance is, so my knees couldn't cope. I'm not sure who was in tune then. this is where we run out of cycle path. So what do we do now then? Yeah. Huh? You going there? Oh man, there's a little road up there. Hang on. Go along and then we'll place in this pavement. I'd say we'll go up here, but we'll have to. Yeah, we'll just do a little sneaky long way along the side of here in a minute, and then we'll. Oh, there's a bit of a slope up the pavement there. No, there isn't. I thought there was. Oh! Nearly fell over then. First time I've tried that without actually getting off my bike. I think next time I should probably get off my bike. Nearly went up the wrong side of the road then. For them to catch up. Lost hotel, that looks really smart. Hamburger. Test up here. I'm not sure what the gradient is, but I'm in Paris is 4 and it's 5th gear on the actual bike, which is what I normally use and leave it in. Don't really need to now, I've got the throttle connected, so I could actually put it in 7th, where it's fine. I'm having to do a little bit of work now, not much, but just a little bit. You are. Leave it in 5. But they'll probably knock it down again, really. But, oh, hang on, we're going up a nice bit of a. We'll drop it down into 4. I'm not sure I really need to. Bike's handling this slope very well. Back in Whitehaven, there's a road that's a similar gradient to this, but it's a long, probably covers the same sort of distance as this, but it's a long straight line, whereas this is curvy. Is going to keep going a bit here. So I'm not into 3rd gear now. Bike's not having any trouble getting around. I mean, throttle's not doing it. PAS5 down to 2nd gear, down to 1st gear. So I'm in Paris is 5, it won't do it on the throttle on its own. Now you're going the wrong way. Yeah. Well, I'm not moving. I'm you getting there? It's doing alright. You know, that's put in a bit of effort. It's a a big heavy bike, so that's the worst of it now. Well, Daniel's still behind me away. Did you manage that alright? Hang on. Yeah.
Got down 2 bars, I just that climb.
Was that top line there?
That was me doing it as well.
Yeah. What gear were you in?
6.
All the way up there? Yeah, that's good. Wait, there's one side and the other. Oh, it's moved back there. This should be interesting. We've got a tunnel. Put the lights on. Oh, this is nice, isn't it? Shall we have a look to see if we could go around the tunnel? Right. There's a fire up there by our house, Dan. See that smoke? That's where we live, that is. See if we can get round. Oh, look for my van or two. Oh, that's cool. If this goes all the way around the edge, just try not to fall off and I'll be alright. Boosts of power assist there, that's a little bit more severe than I'd like. Damn, this is rather pretty. Bridge! Bridge! Gotta go to the bridge. So I'll just push it along past these people down the way. Oh, there's a couple of paragliders up there. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Right, follow me down it. Bypassing that tunnel, I think, is a good idea. It's funny how grumpy some people can look walking along the side of this beautiful scenery. Unless they're just giving me dirty looks, which is probably more like it. Whoops. Pavement widens up there. Tip itself, there's a lot of work going on along here. Oh, we'll go up this way, I think, Dan. Less people. I think there's people. I'm not sure. Nice little places just along the wall here, aren't there? Which way are we going to go? Everybody seems to be veering the same direction a bit. Try not to crash into the upper plants. Adam and Erdage. Yeah. Maybe we should have gone down there instead. There's a slope here. But no, now we probably can't get back up the other side. Yeah, I'm going to take a chance. We'll go around this little barrier here, Dan. Oh, oh, oh. As soon as it's... Yeah, I was going to say, it sounds like we've got some entertainment down there. Walk mode. I think it's helping. Yeah, it is, yeah. It's right something now, right? Oh wow, look at this pool here, Dan. Oh! I did that without. It's a bit bumpy along here. I'm not sure how much wobble we're getting on the camera. between the trees and the people. Slightly less rough along this bit. I'd say slightly less. So let's go onto the smooth bit. Going onto that baby tight. Oh, I saw some rocks down there. Why can't people walk in straight lines? Just making it so much more difficult than it needs to be. There we go, we're up by the road we went on the right now. Yeah, there's a crossing a bit further on down, we'll use that. Looking at it. Probably the better option. Nice cut for the traffic, that'll do.
It's such a lovely day.
It's not bad at all, is it? I think I'm starting to beautiful winter's day. I think no, I don't know, November technically still late autumn, isn't it? Some of the stuff. I don't know, November, yeah. December, January, February is what I was classed as winter, but you know. Oh, I think a cold drink and a snack would be nice. Like a beer. Warm us up on this cold winter's day. houses too. I was doing some work then. Look, there it is. Taco shop shut. I think I'm being overtaken. Hello, David. You want to stop along here or go up into town, get direct? It's quite busy. Coming up fast behind us. Well done. Looks like in the end. I know. Mr. Gyros, I think. No, yeah. Yes, I mean, nice lunchtime snack would be a gyros, wouldn't it? With no ketchup and mayonnaise and mustard. Where's our Dan?